Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon with VincentVacations.com, your source for all things travel. We help you plan destination weddings, honeymoons, cruises, Disney, and so much more. Today we are here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, one of the fastest growing regions of Mexico for tourism, because we are here to check out the MARIVAL ARMONY all-inclusive resort. So I am here to give you all a resort tour today to help you see what this resort looks like. A bird just flew behind me. To see what the resort looks like, make sure it's the right fit for you, and to provide you one of our agents in order to help you select your room type here, maybe where you want your room location to be, etc. Because we have a full team of Vincent Vacation agents here right now exploring and checking out this resort so they can help you plan the perfect getaway here. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the resort tour for MARIVAL ARMONY. So a really quick overview of the resort map here. You can see it's fairly large. So we have like a main lobby area with some restaurants, a spa and gym that I'll show you. We have our buildings with rooms in them. And then we also have a pool and a beach area. So I have a lot to show you all today. It's going to be a fun resort tour. So let's head out and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start with the main lobby. So I will meet you all there. Okay, so welcome to the check-in area. So once you get dropped off by your transfer, you are going to be greeted with luggage service. So hold your luggage while you just simply walk over to the check-in area, check in, and then go back to your luggage, and then they'll help you take it to your room. Now up here in the very front of the lobby is also where you can find concierge. So they can help you plan things like tours around the island, transfers, give you ideas of what to do, etc. As you can see, there are also plenty of areas to sit down, relax, maybe while you are getting checked in. I do want to show you that at Concierge, they also have a list of all the restaurants open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'll point those out as we go through our resort tour as well. But then they do also have a list of all the activities going on each and every day. So today is Saturday. We've got some yoga, we've got a nature walk, we've got an ice bath challenge, we've got a pool party, and so many fun things planned for today. I love a beautiful, peaceful, serene, open air check-in. It's so gorgeous here, and the check-in process yesterday was so easy. You just hand them your passport, and it maybe took about 5 minutes. You sign some papers, they tell you all about the resort, and take you to your room. I want to give you an example of some of the tours, as you can see here, that you can do. You've got a hideaway beach, looks like zip lining and ATV tour. Fun. All right, so here is the lobby and check-in area. Again, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and keep making my way through this main building area. You can see this gorgeous set of stairs is actually going to go all the way up, where I am going to show you a few of the restaurants that are open for dinner, and then we're simply going to come right back down and continue our resort tour. Okay, welcome to, I want to say it's pronounced Insu. Then right behind here is going to be one called Devium. So we're going to go ahead and show you both. Look at this view as you are walking in between the two restaurants though. How beautiful. I love Puerto Vallarta because of the mountains and all the lush greenery. Just beautiful. Okay, let's go check out Devium. Will say we actually had dinner last night at Devium, and it was incredible. Such an amazing meal. They serve it in different courses, of course, so you get a starter salad, you get soup, your main entree, and dessert. I just want to point out here that there are a set of bathrooms as well for you to use in between the two restaurants, so I'm back at that outside point, and I will meet you guys back downstairs at the main lobby where we came up the elevators. Okay, so here's that set of stairs that take you all the way up to 4. We went up the elevator to show you those restaurants. I do have a few more things to show you over here in the main lobby. We do have a souvenir shop, or a logo shop that they like to call it. It is closed right now because I'm filming this kind of early, so it's not as hot and I can show you everything without the crowds. Okay, when I turn over here to the right, this is going to be Blend. It's like a coffee, beer, wine bar, which is really great. They open at 9:30 for coffee and espresso. The buffet is open right now, so I will show you that as well. But this is a beautiful little area to grab some drinks. I actually grabbed like a pre-dinner drink here last night and it was excellent. Also, I do want to mention that right here is where you can get some personal pizzas made for lunchtime as well. So they have some light bar snacks. All right, and just behind Blend is going to be a Melange World Spa. I love the concept behind this spa. This spa does treatments inspired from different countries and different regions all over the world. Not only that, but their treatment rooms also are inspired by those same regions. So yesterday I was lucky enough to be able to tour the Thailand and the Bali spa or therapy room, and they were gorgeous. It makes me want to do a spa appointment today, so we'll see if I get one done. Inside here is also going to be the gym. Okay, I was told the gym is down here, so let's see if we can find it. So here is the fitness center. It is a very decent size. I don't want to show you too much because there are people in there working out, but it looks very nice. This is a bit of the spa relaxation area. I feel like that might be a cold plunge. I don't know, because it's small, so I feel like you're meant to just get in and get out of it. But again, just look at the beautiful scenery, you all. This is why I'm absolutely falling in love with this resort, is the lush greenery, the mountains. It's just such a tropical vibe that is amazing. All right, so I am back outside. Here behind me is the spa, and then here is the Blend, the coffee bar and wine, and then I am going to walk like a little bit out here and talk some more about the resort. I'm heading into just kind of like the central, I guess, area of the resort. A lot of what we are going to be running into is just the buildings where your rooms will be located. Now what's nice is that it seems like every single building also has its own private pool area, which is really nice. So I'll go ahead and insert some clips of the pool areas, and then I'll show you the main infinity pool area as well. Also, do not worry, I will be showing you inside the rooms. We actually got a lot of room tours yesterday. I'm going to be posting most of those on our TikTok, so be sure to follow us on TikTok to see some of those quick room tours, but I will also show you on here the main room that I am staying in. But again, we did see about 3 or 4 different categories of rooms yesterday, and I'll be posting those over on TikTok. Also, I do want to mention that this resort does have some suites with swim out rooms as well, or like more private suites with even a treadmill included inside. Again, that's a video I'll be posting on our TikTok and Instagram. That there are restrooms by the pools as well if you should need them. There is a beautiful fire pit area here that they will light up at night for you to relax and enjoy. All right, as you can see in the distance here, I did make it to the beautiful infinity pool. We're gonna go check it out because I know the lighting's really bad right now, so it's probably hard to see. But we have made it to the farther end of the resort now, towards the beach, and so I have a lot more to show you. So I pulled this map back out, so I showed you all of this. I showed you the pools and the walkways, and now we are down here to show you everything that's going on over here and what you can use at the resort. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is actually the infinity pool here, but I'm gonna head this way and show you all another pool, another small bar area, as well as the beach access first. So I'm just walking down this set of stairs here to this gorgeous other pool area. Again, for this tower here, like I said, each tower has its own pool area. So this is the pool area for this specific tower. And I'm gonna go show you that bar and that restaurant. As I'm making my way over to the bar and restaurant, just to show you all real quick, I mean, just look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view right here from this infinity pool. And you can see the resort does also have plenty of other lounge areas to look out and view the beautiful Pacific Ocean over here in Puerto Vallarta. All right, so here is that bar, and here is the other restaurant. Pause while I get the name of the restaurant real quick. Okay, the name of this restaurant is called The Vent, which is very suiting for it being right on the water and open air. All right, let's head out real quick. I am going to walk down these stairs and I am going to show you all the beach area. So let's go check it out. Look at how this infinity pool overflows though. Absolutely love that. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to get done with this resort tour so that I can just enjoy this beautiful, beautiful resort here today. It is amazing. All right, just look at how pretty. So we're gonna go down these stairs here and check it out. Looks like they do also have some fun things you can rent probably for a few hours if you all are interested. They do have showers here should you need them to rinse off before and after going in the ocean. They are out here working hard this morning getting the beach all set up for the day to use. Just look at this view though. How amazing is this? It is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Heading back up the stairs here. All right, I now want to take you all to the private jacuzzi area. These are open from 9 to 6, but you do need a prior reservation with concierge and they do cost some extra money, but they are totally worth it because look how gorgeous your view is. All right, here are the beautiful day beds and jacuzzis you would have access to. You can see more of the beach area from up here too. Just gorgeous. Okay, right over here we have Drop's Pool Bar. Let's go up and take a look. It's closed right now, of course, because it's still breakfast time, but you can see how nice it is. Beautiful. And here's some of that infinity pool right here. So as you can see, you can swim right up and grab your favorite drink. Resort's getting a little busier now that it's getting later. It's almost 9 o'clock. And then right behind me here is where we are going to have some breakfast. All right, so I want to show you all some of the things they have on the breakfast buffet here. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, this is making me very hungry, so I'm gonna grab a plate and some coffee and then I will meet you guys when I show you the infinity pool.